Hey guys, it's Candy. Welcome to my channel. Yes, so today is another crochet braids day. So as you can see, I already started the braiding process. I am actually doing one of my all-time favorite crochet looks. And for this look, I definitely need for the versatile braid pattern. So that is what I'm doing. So instead of just cornrowing the hair all the way back, I am cornrowing the perimeter of the head in an upward direction, and that will give it that versatile natural finish when I'm done. So after everything is braided around the perimeter of the head, then I go ahead and I just start braiding the middle of her hair in a circular direction, and we call that the beehive. So you're just parting off sections of hair and continuing to make one continuous circular braid. And this braid pattern also helps to prevent from you seeing those gaps in the style, you know, from those partings that you get when you part the hair from back to front. So yeah, so you're going to end up with just one piece of hair, one piece of braid, one tail we call it, and that makes for a nice flat seamless braid pattern. And we're just gonna braid it all the way out, and once that is braided, then it's gonna be so easy for you to just tuck it away and, you know, have the very best foundation for your crochet style ever. All right, so now we are using the crochet tool to weave that tail in and out, through and through, until you have nothing remaining. Yes. And you don't want to skip this step, guys, because you don't want for your hair to be poking through your crochet style. So this is very important. So this is a finished look, you guys. The hair is actually so neat. Yes, the braid pattern is so neat. She could literally just get up out of my chair and just call it a day and just rock this as a whole hairstyle. I'm just saying. Yeah, guys, so this is a foundation for the style. So we are gonna go right into the next phase, which is the installation. So the hair that I'm using is from Crochet Braids Plus. Yes, one of my if you've been following me, you know this is one of my favorite styles. Yeah, by way of crochet. And this is the Yankee twist. The color is ginger spice, so it's an ombre color. This is how the twists look. These are actually micro twists. Yes, it looks like Afro kinky loose hair, but it's actually twisted. So we're just gonna go ahead and start to install the hair. I start by adding one piece of hair to each of those braids. Yeah, the end of each of those braids. So that is usually my first step, just making sure that each of those braids get a piece of the crochet hair. And then I go ahead, once I do all of those braids, then I start to add, you know, additional hair on each of the braids going upwards. All right, so just follow the process, guys, and we will be right back. once I get to the part, yeah, that section of the hair that will form the parting, I make sure that I knot the hair maybe 3 or so times just to make sure it is very secure. But for the rest of the hair, I literally only knot the hair once. The ones in the back, I do knot those twice just so they don't slip. But for everything else, one knot is perfectly fine. All right. So we are just gonna go right ahead and continue to do those pieces in the front. And so once we are done with that, we're gonna move on to just trimming up the hair just to make sure that I get it to be the desired length that she wants it to be, and just to even out the length as much as possible. And yeah, this is definitely how it turned out. I kind of gave it some layers and it turned out beautiful. I like how nice and natural the hair is. The hair is literally, this is one thing that everybody who wears this hair says. The hair feels absolutely weightless. You don't even know that there is something on your head. This ginger spice color is nice and bold, has a nice fiery look to it, but it is very, very cute with the nice ombre dark tone at the roots. Yeah, and you can see in the back how versatile this style is if you want to pull it in a ponytail. So guys, yeah, this is the look for today. This is what I wanted to show you all. I do hope you like it. And yeah, I will leave all the links down below for the hair as well as a discount code for you guys so that you guys can get your hands on it. Until next time, bye.